More V4 Tesla Superchargers opened in Europe. More and more V4 Tesla Superchargers are currently being installed in Europe. With 3 new stations deployed in July, the total number of known V4 sites is now 4. After the first installation in Harderwijk in the Netherlands, launched in March and opened to non-Tesla EVs in April. The second station was launched in Clermont-Ferrand in France in early July. In recent days, we heard about the third V4 supercharging site, also located in France. A few images of the sites were provided by Esther Kockelmans. The fourth V4 supercharging site is located in Graz, Austria, where Tesla enthusiasts noted that the dispensers are equipped with a display and a contactless bank card reader. Or at least a space for it, as we are not sure when the new feature will be available for use. The reason behind equipping the stalls with the display and card reader is to comply with European regulations, which will require this base payment option, without a necessity to be a member of a particular charging network. Other European charging networks, which were relying only on their own access cards or smartphone apps, are also preparing for this. As we can see in the video below, the V4 supercharging stalls in Europe are compatible with the combined charging system CCS2 standard, while the display and contactless bank card reader are underneath the plug holder. Just as a side note, the older Tesla Model S Model X can also use the CCS2 compatible chargers with an adapter. That's because, in the early days, Tesla was using a different charging inlet, compatible with AC Type 2, but for both AC and DC charging scenarios. Since the launch of the Model 3 in Europe, all new Tesla models Model Y and refreshed Model S Model X are CCS2 compatible. The list of known, publicly available V4 supercharging sites now includes 4 places. 1 in the Netherlands, 2 in France, 1 in Austria. Soon, the installations should further accelerate and expand to more countries. We already heard that V4 superchargers are coming to the United Kingdom in 350 kilowatts version, by the way, and to North America. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.